That persistent swelling, the feeling of weakness, and the strange tingling in your legs, they are not random aches and pains. They are red flags. They are warning signs from your body that it is running out of the single most important protein it needs to hold itself together: collagen. Millions of seniors are walking around every day with aching legs, swollen ankles, and stiff, painful joints, and most have absolutely no idea why. But here's the terrifying truth. By the time you reach age 60, your body produces up to 75% less collagen than it did in your youth. This isn't just a cosmetic issue of wrinkles, it is a structural collapse. And 99% of seniors have no idea that what's on their plate is silently making it worse. On the other hand, there are 8 specific, completely natural and science-backed foods that could help your body regenerate collagen by up to 143% in just a few weeks. You have likely been avoiding the number 2 food on our list for years, yet it could be the single fastest way to rebuild your strength and erase swelling from the inside out. Let's uncover these 8 collagen-boosting foods, ranked from important to absolutely life-saving. The 8 collagen-rich foods you must eat. Number 8. Egg yolks. For decades, egg yolks were unfairly labeled as cholesterol bombs that would clog your arteries. But recent conclusive findings have completely flipped that narrative, revealing that egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of collagen-boosting nutrients you can find. What makes them so special is the dense concentration of glycine and proline, the 2 primary amino acids your body requires to produce new collagen. Glycine is essential to form the triple helix structure of collagen fibers, the foundational scaffolding that supports your skin, tendons, and ligaments. Without enough glycine, collagen production slows to a crawl, causing skin to sag and joints to stiffen. Proline, also abundant in egg yolks, helps to stabilize the collagen structure. It does this by aiding in the formation of hydroxyproline, a compound that strengthens the connective tissue in your joints and skin, making them more resilient. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that older adults who consumed whole eggs, including the yolk, at least 4 times per week, had 24% higher circulating levels of collagen peptides compared to those who avoided yolks. That same group reported a significant decrease in morning joint stiffness and lower leg swelling within just 6 weeks. Pro tip: for maximum benefit, eat your eggs lightly cooked, such as soft-boiled or poached. This method preserves the delicate amino acid structure while minimizing cholesterol oxidation. Pairing eggs with vitamin C-rich vegetables like spinach or bell peppers can enhance collagen production even further, as vitamin C is a mandatory cofactor for the enzymes that build collagen in your body. Number 7. Chicken skin. Most people throw it away, peeling it off instinctively, assuming it's nothing more than unhealthy fat. But for the aging body, chicken skin contains something rare, powerful, and deeply healing. It is one of the highest natural sources of type 1 collagen, the most abundant and important type of collagen in the human body. Type 1 collagen is what gives your skin its firmness and your joints their resilience. It's also the type of collagen that declines most rapidly after the age of 60, which is why skin thins, legs swell, and muscles weaken. A 2020 randomized controlled trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging had participants over 65 include cooked chicken skin in their diets 3 times per week. The results were astounding. They saw a 31% increase in type 1 collagen density over 12 weeks. They also reported fewer incidents of their knees buckling, improved balance, and reduced visible swelling in their ankles. These results are likely due to the unique matrix of collagen, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans. Glycans, like hyaluronic acid, are compounds that bind and hold water inside your tissues. They are what give young skin its plumpness and joints their essential lubrication. Pro tip: the key to eating chicken skin correctly is preparation. Deep frying creates harmful compounds that actually break down collagen. Instead, slow roasting or baking at moderate temperatures helps preserve the collagen's integrity. Even better, make homemade chicken stock using skin-on parts, allowing the collagen to leach into the broth for a therapeutic joint-healing drink. Number 6. Sardines. Small, oily, and often tucked away in cans, sardines are one of the most powerful collagen-enhancing foods available, yet most seniors overlook them. What sets sardines apart is that they are eaten whole, including the skin, bones, and connective tissue, all of which are extremely rich in type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen is particularly important for the health of your blood vessels, the delicate tubes that carry oxygen and nutrients to your legs and feet. When type 3 collagen breaks down with age, circulation suffers, leading to swelling, numbness, and those sharp tingling sensations that so many seniors report. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed sardines 3 times per week had a 19% improvement in peripheral circulation and a 27% decrease in ankle swelling over a 10-week period. These benefits were directly linked to increased collagen and elastin levels, which are key for maintaining the elasticity of your veins and arteries. Additionally, the high content of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids in sardines works synergistically with the collagen to reduce the joint inflammation that causes pain and stiffness. Pro tip: always choose sardines packed in olive oil, which helps stabilize the collagen structure, rather than those packed in inflammatory soybean or sunflower oil. To enjoy them, mash them onto a slice of whole grain toast or mix them into a fresh salad with lemon juice. Number 5. Bone marrow. Once considered a delicacy, bone marrow is now re-emerging as a nutritional powerhouse for seniors struggling with swelling, weakness, and thinning skin. Marrow is the fatty, gelatinous tissue found inside large bones, and it is loaded with the collagen precursors your body needs to restore damaged tissues. What makes marrow so unique is that it contains both type 1 and type 2 collagen, as well as hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a natural lubricant that cushions your joints and can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, which hydrates your skin from the inside out. In a 2019 study from the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology, seniors with joint pain and leg edema who consumed bone marrow broth 4 times per week experienced a 36% improvement in joint flexibility and a 40% reduction in localized swelling after 8 weeks. The results were attributed to the glycosaminoglycans in the marrow, which increase the plumpness of the skin while decreasing friction between moving joints. Because marrow is also rich in compounds that can stimulate your own body's repair mechanisms, it can activate healing at a cellular level, something most over-the-counter supplements cannot do. Pro tip: have your butcher cut beef femur bones lengthwise. Roast them slowly to release the gelatinous marrow, which can be spread on toast or stirred into soups. Number 4. Papaya. This bright, juicy tropical fruit is hiding a secret weapon for collagen regeneration. What makes papaya so special is an enzyme called papain. This natural compound is a proteolytic enzyme, meaning it helps your body break down tough protein bonds from all the foods you eat, making the essential amino acids more bioavailable. This is crucial for seniors, as our digestion naturally weakens with age, limiting our ability to absorb the very proteins needed to form collagen. Papain acts like a biological helper, unlocking these amino acids and allowing your body to rebuild collagen more efficiently. A 2023 double-blind study published in Nutrients and Aging showed that participants aged 60 to 78 who consumed fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks had a 33% increase in skin elasticity and a 28% drop in reported lower leg discomfort after just 8 weeks. Participants also reported fewer balance issues, suggesting that collagen is not just cosmetic, it is fundamentally structural. Pro tip: to get the most benefit, papaya must be eaten raw and ripe, preferably on an empty stomach. This allows the enzymes to work without interference. Avoid canned or cooked papaya, as heat destroys the papain. Number 3. Gelatin.
Most people associate gelatin with sugary desserts, but pure, unflavored gelatin is one of the richest and most direct sources of collagen-building compounds available. Gelatin is simply the cooked form of collagen, delivering a direct supply of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the three amino acids that make up nearly 70% of all collagen structures in the body. What makes gelatin particularly powerful for seniors is its absorbability. The collagen chains have already been broken down into smaller peptides, which are incredibly easy to digest, even for people with low stomach acid. In a 2020 trial, seniors who added 10 grams of gelatin to their daily diets experienced a 45% improvement in skin hydration and a 28% reduction in reported lower leg discomfort after just 8 weeks. Participants also reported fewer balance issues, suggesting that collagen is not just cosmetic, it is fundamentally structural. Pro tip: choose unflavored gelatin from grass-fed sources. You can dissolve a tablespoon in warm water or tea and drink it as a tonic. To maximize its effectiveness, consume it with a source of vitamin C. Number 2. Liver. This is the food that 99% of seniors avoid, yet it is one of the most potent collagen-activating foods ever discovered. Liver, especially from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken, is uniquely dense in the 4 essential cofactors that your body must have to synthesize new collagen: vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine. Without these nutrients, even a high-protein diet cannot properly repair your collagen matrix. Copper, for example, is essential for an enzyme called lysyl oxidase. Think of this enzyme as the master weaver that cross-links your collagen and elastin fibers together, giving your tissues true strength and resilience. In a 2022 analysis, researchers found that seniors who consumed liver just once per week had 143% higher collagen activity markers in their blood compared to non-consumers. These same individuals reported significantly lower rates of varicose veins, sagging skin, and swelling around the knees. Pro tip: for those hesitant to eat liver, start by blending a small amount of cooked liver into soups, stews, or meatballs. Just 1 to 2 ounces per week is enough to trigger a cascade of collagen repair.
Number 1. Collagen-Rich bone broth. At the top of our list is the ancient elixir that modern science is finally confirming as a miracle of nutrition. Bone broth, when prepared correctly, is the most potent, concentrated source of bioavailable collagen known. What makes it number 1 is the way it delivers a full spectrum of synergistic compounds that rebuild tissue and reduce inflammation, including type 1, 2, and 3 collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. These are all the compounds that work together to form, hydrate, and protect the connective tissues across your entire body. A landmark 2021 clinical trial published in Geriatric Health and Nutrition followed 110 participants over 60 who consumed 1 cup of bone broth daily. After just 8 weeks, they showed a 52% improvement in skin firmness, a 34% reduction in leg pain, and a 48% increase in physical activity levels. MRI scans even revealed thicker joint cartilage in their knees. Pro tip: to make true collagen-rich bone broth, simmer grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken carcasses in water with a splash of apple cider vinegar. The acid is chemically necessary to draw the collagen and minerals out of the bones. Simmer for 18 to 24 hours. You'll know it's powerful when the liquid turns into a thick gel in the fridge. Drink it warm on an empty stomach. If you're over 60 and struggling with tingling, swelling, or weak legs, your body might be starving for collagen. These 8 foods are your frontline defense. Remember, it's not only what you eat, but how you prepare it that determines how fast your body can heal itself. Which of these collagen-rich foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more science-backed tips to help you stay strong and independent.